Hello, today I want to talk about how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. So if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing or something you want to start, please watch this video, stay all the way through to the end, because I'm going to give you the full overview and then show you how to go about having success with affiliate marketing as a beginner. So welcome to my channel. When you're done with this video, please take a look around. I have lots of different videos that show different ways to make money online. I review different products that I use in my online business, and I talk about different strategies that can help you make money online. So first, we're going to jump into and review what I call the sales process. And this is not something I came up with. This is very standard, and whether you're doing online sales or offline sales, it doesn't matter. It's the same process. And essentially that is, you have to have traffic. You have to find buyers, people that are interested. And in this model, we're talking about online buyers. And basically, you need to give them a reason to click on your affiliate link. Now, once they click your affiliate link, that'll take them to the product sales page. And if they click through your affiliate link and decide to make a purchase, then you earn a commission as an affiliate. Now, commissions for affiliate marketing can vary a lot. Okay, Amazon, pays into 1 to 3% range, and then in certain niches, like the one we're going to talk about today, the Make Money Online niche, it's not unusual to be paid 50% commissions, even up to 100% commissions. So we're going to talk about different ways to get traffic. We're going to talk about different products. We're going to show you how you can get started in affiliate marketing. So let's go back, and I want to first talk a little bit about the overview here. Okay, so I recommend for a niche, Make Money Online, and that's what we're going to talk about in this video. This will work for any niche, whether it's health and fitness, weight loss, spirituality, self-help. It doesn't matter what the niche is. The method is the same. The sales process is the same, and how we go about it is the same. The first thing you have to do is you want to make sure you find products. Okay, so you want to find products to promote, and you do that before you even think about traffic and whatnot. So once you've decided on your niche, and again in this example, we're going to do the Make Money Online niche. Here are some examples of where you can find products. There's a website called Muncheye, and this is where different Make Money Online products are going to be launched or sold for the first time to the public. And so you can go on here and you can see a calendar in date order of upcoming products. And you can click on any of these. Let's just pick one. And it'll have a JV page or affiliate page that talks about the product, the funnel, the commissions that you can make, etc. Okay, so Muncheye is a great place to find products in the Make Money Online niche. Now, as you can see, this column over here shows the affiliate platform that these products are going to be launched on. So this is JVZoo, this is Warrior Plus. Let's see if we can find one on a different platform, but you can see those are the two big ones, JVZoo and Warrior Plus. ClickBank, so this is Pay Kickstart, yep. So you'll find some, on ClickBank sometimes. So JVZoo, this is the site for it. It's just jvzoo.com. You can create a free affiliate account. Same thing at warriorplus.com. You go to warriorplus.com and set up a free affiliate account. ClickBank, same thing. Go over, create your free affiliate account. And another one that's pretty popular is Digistore24. Now, the thing I would say about Digistore24 and about ClickBank is they offer products in lots of different niches. So you can see all the different niches, and these are the similar niches that they have on ClickBank as well. And so whatever niche you're in, Digistore24 and ClickBank are actually really good places to start. Now, I did log into, just before, as I was getting ready to start recording this video, I logged into my Warrior Plus account because I'm going to show you an example of a Warrior Plus product that I think is great for you to start with if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing and you want to go into the Make Money Online niche. And so here I'm in my Warrior Plus account, and you can say, I just had this sale come through, right before I started recording the video. So I was like, whoa, okay, that's cool. So this is a product that sells for $150, and I make about a 50% commission, so $70.58. And so you can see, we're not quite halfway through July, and I'm at $158 for the whole month. And if we go in and let's just say year to date, so from January 1st to now, July 12th, you can see I've made just over $2,000 on Warrior Plus. Now, this is just one affiliate platform. I make affiliate sales on JVZoo and on ClickBank, through Amazon, different affiliate web hosting affiliate, autoresponder affiliate programs. So this is just one place that I make affiliate commissions. But you can see, so I make, I average, what is that, probably $200, $250, no, $300, I guess, almost $300 a month on Warrior Plus. And then again, there's lots of different things that have affiliate programs. So if you have a A2 host, or web hosting, I use A2 hosting, that's why I mentioned it. But web hosting, you can make really good commissions, anywhere from $50 to $85 per sale. So I usually do several hundred, if not a few $1,000s with web hosting affiliate commissions. Email autoresponders have good affiliate programs, Aweber and GetResponse. Those are good affiliate programs for me. So you want to, find your product. Now, sometimes there are going to be products on these affiliate platforms, like we talked about, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, or Digistore. Those are affiliate platforms, but sometimes they're going to be maybe, hosting commissions or autoresponder commissions or other software commissions, etc., that aren't through a platform but directly from the hosting company, etc. So anyway, what I want to show you in Warrior Plus is a program that I really recommend you consider promoting. It's called Partner and Profit. It's by Michael Chaney. There's 7 products in the funnel. Starts at $10 up to $200. Most likely you'll get approved, and you'll be able to earn 100% commissions throughout the entire funnel. Because that's one of the biggest hurdles new affiliates have. They have no track record, right? They haven't sold anything. And so a lot of times sellers may be very hesitant to approve you to promote their product if you have no sales record. Well, Michael Chaney, if you buy Partner and Profit, and here we are on the sales page for Partner and Profit, if you buy Partner and Profit for just $10, okay, then you are going to get automatic approval to promote his other product called 7-Figure Affiliate System, okay? And you're going to get approved for 100% commissions throughout the entire sales funnel. So again, same price points, $10 all the way up to $200. And so if someone were to purchase every single product in this funnel from you, you could make over $400. So not too bad. And the nice thing is, again, it helps you overcome kind of the biggest hurdle new affiliates have is trying to get approved, right? So a lot of times what will happen is people will go to Muncheye and they'll say, hey, I want to promote this product, or I want to promote this product. And they'll send a request to the seller to say, hey, I want to promote this product, but the challenge is you don't have any track record, you haven't made any sales. And so they deny you and they don't approve you to promote their product. And so the beauty of when you purchase Partner and Profit, that's exactly what's happening. You're partnering with Michael Chaney to be able to promote his 7-Figure Affiliate System. And you're going to be approved to promote that 7-Figure Affiliate System for 100% commissions throughout the entire sales funnel. So that's what I would recommend. I think the make money online niche is great because everyone's trying to make money. Everyone wants to make some extra monies. They want to get away from their job. Maybe they just need to pay some bills, or they want to save for their kids' college education. And so making money online is a great niche because there's lots of different ways to make money online. And so that's, I think, a good evergreen niche for you to consider. Now, you do need to get traffic, right? And really, traffic comes down. If we go back to that sales process, you got to have traffic. You got to have a way to get people to your affiliate link so they can get to the sales page, purchase, and you make that commission. Well, there's lots of different ways to get traffic. The two main in general are either free traffic. Now, free traffic means it doesn't cost you anything monetarily, although a lot of times it will cost you more in your time because you will need to be more devoted, because these are things like YouTube, maybe having a blog, social media, Instagram, Pinterest, etc., doing work through forums. And there's lots of other different free traffic methods, but they take some time because you have to go and put the time in, right? So, on YouTube, that's a great traffic source for me. I get a lot of traffic from my YouTube videos and channel, and I make some AdSense revenue, which is nice. But by far, my affiliate marketing sales are my biggest revenue generator from my YouTube traffic. Now, I do have several blogs also, which I make some Amazon sales, and the traffic is building, so I should be able to be monetized to make ad revenue from those as well. But these are longer term strategies, blogging and YouTube and most of social media, etc. Now, if you want to get fast traffic, then you can pay for it. And fast traffic usually will occur quickly, usually within hours or days, versus traffic from the free method may take weeks and really probably months. So there is obviously a cost for paid traffic. If you have the money, then you may want to look at that. Solo ads can work great for email marketing. You can buy ads through almost any online, social media, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads. Bing ads is actually a really probably underutilized traffic source. You can get very good quality traffic. Most people that use Bing for their search engine tend to be a little older, have a good income, etc. So you can get paid traffic, and that is one of the ways that you can get traffic to that affiliate link and to the sales page. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe so you can get more videos as they come out. And go back and I'll leave a link in the description box below for the Partner and Profit program. So if you want to jump in on this, again, it's $10. I think it's a great way to get started and get automatic approval to promote the 7-figure affiliate system and get those 100% commissions. All right, appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks so much.